How's it going, YouTube? That BMX guy here. So today I'm gonna talk to you about my car. So, I know I'm not a car mechanic though, but I gotta fix my own cars, so for cheap. So this is what I found out my Toyota check engine light came on, and so this is my project right now. Trying to work on this beast of a machine. You feel it? So, yeah, I'm not a mechanic in any means though, but when I gotta figure out my own stuff how to do it, I'll research and then I'll do it myself. So, the next step for this, replace this gasket, because if you see all around, I'll show you. Alright, so this is the problem that I found. Another one. The gasket's going bad. So you can see all the oil around. And right here there's a lot of oil. So how you're going to want to get this off is you want to pop this plastic piece off first. Take all the bolts off around here for the valve cover. Don't lose this clip. Make sure you remember where the spark plug wires go. And then when you get under there, clean all around the valve cover, all around, and put the new grommet in, you know, and I don't know if I'm saying the right word though, but it goes around the valve cover, so you want to put that in and make sure that's tightly sealed and everything. And then if your check engine light still doesn't go off, then you got another problem, which I figured out. I don't know if it's on this one though, but it could be your spark plug wires right here, because this thing could go bad. So, and we got a lot of rain, so I did some digging in here. Get the light so you guys can see. Down there it's all filthy down in there. Let's see if it'll focus. And then the next one, it's all oil around it. This one right here, it had water. The last one I haven't checked yet though, but all the spark plug wires were bad. These are 2 spark plugs I got out so far. Alright guys, so now we're gonna take out that spark plug, or it had tons of water in it. So let's take that out. This one's being a little bit tough. Alright, finally got it. Make sure you always clean your sockets after. If it's really dirty in there, make sure you clean your sockets. Put that to the side. I'll grab my flashlight, look down in there. Let me see if it's all the way out. No, just a little bit more. So you don't need your wrench for this. Just grab your socket right there. This one's a 16. So just bring it down in there. Just keep on till it's all the way loose. It's all the way loose. Clean your socket again. Grab your needle nose if it doesn't want to come out. Hook down in the hole. Grab your spark plug out. This one's really in there, you guys. Torque. In there. Alright, that one has a lot of oil in it. Let me sit you back up here, you guys. Oops. Alright, so this is a prime spot right there. Alright. Let's keep on trying to get it off. Put it back in there. There it goes. It's coming. There we go. Again, grab your needle nose and just go over. I gotta go over there and look. There you are.